In this video, we will guide you through the process of transferring money from your Alipay account to GCash. Just follow the simple steps to seamlessly navigate the transaction, ensuring a smooth and efficient transfer of funds between these two digital platforms. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to effortlessly transfer money from Alipay to GCash, start by logging into your Alipay Hong Kong account. And once you're in, head to the More section and find the option for remittance and click on it to explore further. Now, in the remittance menu, opt for new remittance and select GCash as the destination for your funds. So at this point, you will need to input the details of the GCash account to which you wish to transfer money, including the account holder's information and relevant identifiers. So take a moment to double check all the details you provided before proceeding. Now, once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, confirm the transaction and click on the Send Payment button as this initiates the transfer and you're good to go. This straightforward process ensures a hassle-free transaction from your Alipay account to your GCash wallet, making digital financial transfer a seamless experience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.